Welcome, in front of me is a NOKIA X20, and today I'll show you how you can apply tempered glass to this phone. So, as you can see, there's my tempered glass, and inside you will find obviously a glass itself, along with these dry and wet wipes, so you can use those to clean off the screen. But what I recommend doing, if you have a microfiber cloth, use that instead. It's way bigger and much easier to use than these tiny little wipes. As you can see, this is the size of the wipes that you're getting, so they are absolutely just tiny, and I don't recommend using them. So the glass we can set aside for now, and what you want to do is clean off your screen. So make sure that every kind of speck of dust is cleaned off, along with any kind of smudges, dirt, fingerprints, all that stuff. Just completely clean it off. So there we go. Now once you have cleaned it off, you want to keep your microfiber cloth ready near the phone, because once you peel off the protective little layer right here that will reveal the sticky side of the glass, you want to give the screen a couple more passes just in case any kind of dust settled on the display. If you don't do that, if there is some dust on the screen and you apply the glass, there is a chance that you will have air bubbles underneath, so that's why I recommend doing this like so. So anyway, let's peel off our cover. There we go. And when applying, what I recommend doing is applying it from top or the bottom, depending on which side you prefer, and then simply dropping the glass. And as you will see, it starts to kind of glue itself. And there we go. And that's about it. So right now you can wipe off the glass and you're good to go. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.